When do you ever see like a car like this from this high? Never. And it's just so sick. What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and we're in New Jersey now, not Florida. And Ruby actually made it, surprisingly. I actually got a new plate for the front, but not just we have Ruby, we also have Bernard. You guys have never met Bernard, but big cameraman. Go follow him. But this is a problem. I'll put a clip in. I blew up my wheel, which just sucks. But we're here today. There's a GT3 right there, and right over there, there's something special. But we're not gonna film that yet. We're gonna talk about that yet. Not yet. Not yet. Hey, look, a TSX. But yeah. We're gonna talk about that in a little bit. All right, before we get anything started, this is Evolution Auto Spa in Manasquan or Seagirt. It's Seagirt, New Jersey, and they got some sick decor in here. I just wanted a mint. That's the main reason I came in here. Sorry, Mike, but oh, I showed it a little bit. They have something special, very special. Let's grab a water too, and then we're gonna film a little edit of that GT3. I'm wrong. It's a GT3RS, not our. It's a GT3. It's a Porsche GT3. We're gonna go film the Porsche GT3. That's what I meant. All right, let's go. Real quick before we film that GT3 right there, and then we're gonna go over and the other car that I want to talk about is we are gonna ride today. We're gonna ride. Don't click off yet. We're gonna ride. But one thing I did want to show you is this garage area that he has is that's an RX-7. I didn't even know he had that. This Supra is massive. It has a huge turbo in it, and dude, it's just so sick. That FC RX-7 is so mint. It's so clean. But this Supra is so quick. It's a Rocket Bunny kit with a massive turbo in it. And it's like super nice. It's a super nice car. I've ridden in it one time. Thanks, Mike, for that. It's so sick. Look at this garage, too. This garage is absolutely sick. But let's go film that GT3 now and go mess with Bernard. All right, Bernard's doing his camera thing, but this is it. We're going to do a quick little, edit thing. I already said that like 4 times. But dude, the wheels on this are huge. I don't know how I feel about that blue stripe around it, but it fits the car. It's like they do usually come with a racing stripe right here, but the owner of this wanted to take it off. This is so sick. That little like edit thing that we did, but Bernard's doing some camera things, man. This is so sick. You don't know much about Porsches, which he doesn't know much about Porsches at all. This is like this is basically their flagship car. It's the street car. It's a street car, which the track car is somewhere. But like this is definitely the street car. This is so cool. Not only do they have this GT3, they also have this Urus, which is kind of mid, but it's a Urus. It's still cool. Stop taking pictures of me, weirdo. But not older than this camo Porsche, they have the brand new GT3RS, which this thing is absolutely stunning compared to the GT3, which is already stunning. But look how massive this wing is with all this active aero components. This thing is crazy. Look at it. Look how this spec is on par with anything else. This is so cool. I also want to do an edit of this like we did this. We're just gonna combine everything together. We already did one of the GT3, but we're gonna put these two together, and that's everything else. All right, so let's get it. Then we'll ride. I promise. We'll ride. I hope you enjoyed that little like edit thing that we did, but this is so sick. The aero on this is just, dude, this is crazy. And it's crazier because it's all from factory too. All the carbon fiber, all the aero, the active aero, this is all from factory. And this GT3 is just so nice. It's so nice. Look at the sun hitting the paint there. The camera will never do it justice, but this is just like such a rich color. Look at this carbon. Wow, this is so mint. The carbon on the hood too. Oof. This car is just something else. Look at this. Even says Porsche right here. It's sick. I didn't even notice that before. This Porsche is speechless. Just everything about it is so speechless. It looks so good. Thank you for Evo. Thank you to Mike. All right, let's go Session Park. Let's go. All right, real quick again. I know I said we're gonna ride, but like Jesus, dude, this shot is amazing from up here. I didn't think about this. This is cool. It is so cool. Mike, thank you for letting me do this, man. This is sick. Thank you. That was horrible. This is sick. I always love this angle of cars completely because it's a completely different perspective that you just don't see. When do you ever see like a car like this from this high? Never. And it's just so sick. It's so stunning. That is so crazy. That is so nice. All right, now we're gonna go ride. Now we go skate park. Skate park. Skate park. Anyway, we're at TR.
What up, guys? I'm on a YouTube channel.
You got like turf in your mouth or something. What are you chewing on? Is that a piece of your grip?
No.
You're chewing on a piece of your grip?
That's nasty.
Oh, yeah, this heel thing sucks. It still really sucks. Oh, I put my heel down during a Smith. That hurt. I feel so weird riding just because I can barely feel the back of my heel. Since the camera's gonna die, cool transition. Oh my God, just like that, it's nighttime. And not only it's nighttime, it's actually 3:32 in the morning. I'm absolutely spent. I don't know why I'm here. I don't even know. All I knew is I spawned in here, I guess. All right, let's just get a, nice little board across the rail. Boom. Down whip. Boom. Heel over this. That did very much hurt my heel, surprisingly. Surprisingly, what am I, stupid? My heel's hurt. Of course it would hurt my heel. Not gonna lie, this is probably gonna be a shorter video than usual. Hope you guys enjoyed the GT3RS and me riding with a hurt heel. But I'll catch you guys next time.